What's up, everybody? So we do have a new project. We're gonna be painting 2012 Kia Rio. Let me show you guys what we're gonna be doing to it. Let's go.
Here's a third generation Kia Rio, straight from the infamous, you guessed it, Facebook Marketplace. Although, there's one thing to note. It's in decent shape, so I can't really talk shit this time. With 100,000 miles and being mechanically sound, and having a clean title, the only thing we can do to it is paint it. So why don't we do just that and revive this beautiful red metallic that came from factory. But first things first, if you've seen any of the previous videos on the channel, you definitely know we're gonna paint this ceiling black. So let's prep it. And since this channel is not only for entertainment purposes, I'm gonna guide you through the process so you can also learn as we go. Having said that, I'm gonna take the DA sander with 400 grit sandpaper and hit the entire roof with it, followed by wet sanding with 600 grit. And I know what you're thinking here. Yes, you can paint outside and still get professional results, but I'll get into that in another video. For now, we just have to distribute the paint nicely, and we'll only lay down the clear once the base is nice and even. And here's 2 coats of clear, and we're gonna come back to it once it cures. It's been 24 hours and we are now ready to tackle the body. So we're gonna get things mashed off. We're gonna go over the bodywork with primer, base coat, and last but not least, clear coat. And just so you're aware, we typically do 3 coats of primer just because when it's time to block it, you have enough material to work with. Now for the base coat, typically the same 3 coats over the bodywork method apply. But that also depends on the quality of the paint and the color of the paint. And of course, 2 last top coats all around the car. And as for our clear coat, we do a light coat, a medium coat, and a flood coat. That was a lot of fun. What are we gonna do now? We're gonna scuff this up with 1500 by hand, followed by 2000 grit with a DA sander and 3000 grit with a DA sander. Then we're gonna cut and buff. Before we try and find her a new home, we gotta give her a good clean. And after all that work, this is what she looks like. You might be thinking that the Kia Rio is not a sports car. And you're right, it's not. But with these wheels set up, the lowering springs, the blacked out ceiling, and the red metallic paint, oh man, this is a sweet ride. But enough said. If you want to see more content like this, let me know down below. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. This is Jared signing off. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.